Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you one of the method of cooking, traditional way of preparing your plantain, unripe plantain. Here we have our unripe plantain. Yes, as of it, we bought it yesterday. It was looking very greenish. So I've already rinsed it, so I'm going to be peeling it. Let's peel off the back. Okay, and I'm going to take you all on the process step by step how to prepare it. Yes, so today is another cooking video, and don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to give me a like, and also drop your comments on what you feel about the recipes from the comment section. Let me know whether you also give it a try. Plantain is very good and it's healthy. That's a lot of health benefits. For example, it helps to prevent ulcer, stomach ulcer. It contains iron. It strengthens bones and teeth, most especially in children. It is also good for weight loss. If you are looking for a way to lose some pounds of weight, unripe plantain is good for you. It is also good for children, also good for pregnant women. Unripe plantain has a lot of health benefits. So let's listen to some music while we peel off the plantain.
From Savannah where they wide and free to Red Soil where they under tree. One verse there where they sweet like song. That's saucy where they yarn I'm strong. Her eye they shine, her mouth they run. She go tell you story from dusk till dawn. The king go sit down, mama go smile. Associate and we go stay for a while. Saucy Glover, she catch a flame. She sabi story. She go talk of lion, we learn to lead. Talk of kings, we talk past in need of love, we grow for dry ground. A courage, we come and fear the round. A story, they beat like talking drum. You go touch it no matter where you from. She go show you face inside the tail. You go know say, now your own trail. So see Glover, she get the flame. She savvy story, no be play game. She go carry lost, babe, make it dance with drum and jazz. She give a chance inside every eye. You go see the sign. So see your story, no they waste time. From us.
So I'm going to be trashing this. Let's put it here. So I can even trash it. Now I used to tie my trash in a nylon bag for easy trashing. Let's try it. Let me keep it here. peeling it. I'm done peeling it. This plantain is quite expensive. See it, 6 fingers of plantain, 2,000 naira. Meaning that 1,000 naira plantain is 3. It's 3.
You gotta give hope too, yeah.
So this 1,000 naira plantain now is 2,000 naira plantain. That is 1.50 USD. Yeah, 1.50 USD. So I'm going to be dicing it. See the size. I'm being careful with this knife because the knife is very sharp.
Okay. Now, quick.
Thank you. Thank you. So give me banana. Thank you so much. Let me eat banana.
What did you say?
Thank you. Thank you, my son.
Welcome.
I said thank you, my son. I know my son. My amazing son. Thank you so much for giving me banana. His dad bought banana on his way back from work.
I'm back.
What's that? What did you do? What's that? Just be careful. Okay? So I'm just dicing it. I'm done. So I'm going to be rinsing it inside this pot. In this pot we're going to be using it. So we are going to be adding our water. You have to put enough water that will cook it. So this is what we're going to be eating for dinner. And we are also going to be turning in our oil. You have to put enough oil so it can burn together, it can cook together. So the fire is ready. Let's put it on fire. Put it on fire. So put it on fire. We are going to be putting in our seasoning cube. I'm using 3 seasoning cube. Let me put 3. Scatter it inside. Here's our salt. I'm going to put in a level spoon of salt. Here also comes in our ginger, dry ginger powder that I made myself. I just put like half spoon. It's potash. We are going to be using just a little of the potash. So let's drop it inside. Cover it, let it boil. So here is our black fish. I'm going to be washing it and remove the bone. Okay, so we can use it. So this fish is 1,000 naira. 6 pieces, 1,000 naira. This is catfish from Maiduguri, Borno State. So I'm going to be adding some salt to the fish to wash the fish. Okay, let's add salt to wash it. So in case of storm like sand, okay, the salt will help to remove the sand. Ordinarily, yeah, I'm going to be using iron sponge to scrub the back.
Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy.
Yes.
What's that?
Okay, jerry can. Yes, that will go and fetch water. Okay. So you can remove the storeware. I see it. So we are going to do this to all the fish. Transfer it to the gas so that it can be faster. Let it cook faster because my family are hungry. You can see now as it's boiling fast. Because I transfer it to gas so it can boil fast. Okay. We have not added our chili pepper, hot pepper. I'm going to put like half spoon. So here is our crayfish. We are adding crayfish to it. So you just want low heat, because it's already getting dry. So after allowing it to boil for like 2 minutes after putting the crayfish, then we off our gas. Okay, so our plantain porridge is ready. So I came back to the shop to eat. Here's my food. My daughter was in the shop for me while cooking. Yes, I'm teaching her how to sell. Then as I came now, I've dished her food, so let her go and eat as well. Yes, so that's how we do it. When she come back from school, she stay in the store for me while I go inside to do other things and even do laundry. So today was cooking day, so she stayed for me and I cook. She's really trying. She's trying. Let's eat. Let's eat what we have. Very delicious, you know. I've been hungry for it. Hungry for this. It's really nice. So let me hear from the comment section whether you will give it a try. See you in my next video. God bless you all. One love, everyone. Kindly give me a like.